Kreg power tools combine premium features, durable brushless motors, and blue-ion battery technology to deliver the precision, power, and durability that woodworkers demand. The Kreg Blue-Ion battery platform delivers extended runtime and intelligent power management, keeping your tools running at peak performance. Choose between lightweight 2 amp hour or high-capacity 4 amp hour batteries for the right balance of power and portability. Kreg Ionic Drive power tools, delivering precision and power for every project.